Alright, so, as you saw, well, it's a pretty cool looking coaster. We also classic design, I would say, maybe. What I think is particularly cool about this coaster is the fact as one big column going up supporting the motor, and then it goes down to a sort of big foot for the base. And what I really like, one of my favorite features is the loop. Like, I really like these curved pieces that make the loop. They make it really sturdy and very simple connection. And overall, very good coaster. By far the most reliable coaster we've made. So let's see it in action. So as you can see, car coming up. And it's a little hard to watch. It's so fast. Imagine doing that on a real coaster. Now, this coaster might not be as tall as our last one that we made, but I would say it's a much better one. If we had the parts, it would be twice the height as it is currently. Like, we were planning on taking this gear here, or putting another gear like right here, rod here, and it'll continue to go up, like up here, close to the last one we made, like a year ago. And you can find a video in the link down below to that. And as you can see, it's a pretty nice coaster. And you might have noticed, we might have gone a little overkill on the sports. Well, they're not overkill. As you can see, it doesn't wobble that much. But the blue car added some copper in it, so it's much heavier. And when it goes, you will be able to see, hopefully, it will shake much more. Like that, which is why it has so many supports versus the green car or white or whatever. So, pretty cool coaster, and I'll have a link to the original design of K'NEX kit that you can find this, the original kit, and there might be a review coming, maybe, I have no idea, probably not, actually, now that I think about it.